Hey, this is Ian for Group Talk, April 30th. Today, the first group talk was fashion. We talked about fashion magazines and different things. Really, not anybody in the group was very interested in fashion, so we didn't talk about it for very long. But that's fine. And we learned some words along the way. The first word we learned was glazed. And glazed, like we explained during group talk, is something that has some sort of thin layer of some kind of material. So this is a good example. I love glazed donuts and milk. So glazed donuts are donuts with like a thin layer of sugar on around them. Or honey glazed ham is good too. Which brings us to our next word, layer. A layer, which is like we explained that there's layer cake or you dress in layers. So I think you guys understood that quite well. Onions have many layers, or I wonder how many layers Prince William's cake had, for example. And then one of the harder words we learned is elaborate, which means very complicated or full of details. So like we talked about Prince William's wedding, or the royal wedding was very elaborate. There was many parts to it. Or the storyline of this story is too elaborate. I can't understand. I couldn't understand. And then some mistakes I noticed. Why I was here is because blah 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 should be the reason I came here is blah blah blah. And another mistake. Why do you want to speak English much better? I can understand, but it should be why do you want to improve your English? Okay, so besides those mistakes, as always, everybody had a lot to say, and it was very fun for me. So thank you for coming, and I'll see you at the next group talk. Have a good evening.